AJ De La Garza, defender, Brian Jordan, Maryland. Long hair, I used to be Troy Polamalu, or some people used to call me Mowgli from the Jungle Book. I'm a hard worker. I hate to lose. Everyone hates to lose in the professional level. I'm more of a defensive-minded player. Don't really go for attacking corners or anything like that. I want to contribute eventually. I got to earn my spot though. So I mean, I'm still learning a lot. So I mean, that's good. And hopefully, I catch on pretty soon, and hopefully, I can make a difference for the team. Just an honor to be a part of it.
Sean Franklin, defender, Palmer, California. Favorite meals, cheeseburger plain. Anything with cheese, meat, and bun. One of my favorite movies, I like Wedding Crashers. I like to get my car washed. I like to get my hair cut. Gotta look fresh for the game. It's exciting that I get to, try to play right back again. That's what I played in college. Yeah, it's crazy. It's kind of like a dream, a dream come true. Playing for my family, fans, and just being out with the guys. Everyone's looking forward to the season to start, and I just, think that this is like a new team.
Leonard Griffin, defender, Palmdale, California. Some people call me Leo, short for Leonard. Red Hot Chili Peppers, probably one of my favorite bands. Favorite book, I'm a UCLA guy, so autobiography of John Wooden was definitely inspirational. Man, every time I even see the crest, it kind of gives me chills. I mean, obviously I'm a Southern California, born and raised, so to put on a Galaxy jersey definitely means the world to me. So many great players have come through here, and to be able to play and contribute to and be a part of this legacy is something special.
Hans Marshall, defender, Trinidad and Tobago. Up here, people call me Hans. I'm a jokester, any home-cooked food. Pilau, macaroni pie, callaloo. Getting hungry right now. The fans are a big part of it, The fans are like, the 12th player. When you hear the fans start to go, that's when you start to get motivated. I just want to come in here and see if I could help the team out. It being on the bench or on the field, anywhere I could help the team out, That's my main goal.
Omar Gonzalez, defender, Dallas, Texas. I got every kind of genre on my iPod, from rap to country. For the home opener, I think my whole family's coming, so that'll be really exciting. Sometimes whenever I wear a hat backwards, I get Tony Romo. I actually looked in my locker and I saw my name on the back. That feeling was really great. I think the fans will see me going up for a lot of head balls and hopefully going up for a lot of corners and just being a big presence in the back. I think they'll like what they're gonna see.
Todd Donovan, defender, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. Pre-game ritual I have is right before kickoff. I like to sprint and touch the corner of the 18. All the guys on the team know it. Training staff definitely knows it. I have the longest toes on the team. iPod right now has got the new U2 album, and the one I've been listening to the most has been The Killers. Obviously the Galaxy for me is the top club that I'd want to play for, and the chance to come back. I was really bummed out when I got traded the first time, the year after we won the championship. I'm pretty fortunate to have a second chance, and I'm not going to waste it.
Julian Valentine, center back, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Got engaged in the off-season. I'll be getting married in January. Punk rock's really my go-to genre. I like Cajun food a lot. Jambalaya, gumbo, I like it all. Shia LaBeouf, I get that a lot. I'm a communicator, I'm a vocal player. I like to organize the guys in front of me. I like to tackle hard and win my battles. I think anybody who's watched me play knows that I give 110% every time. It was a great experience my first year. I learned so many good lessons, and hopefully be able to carry that through this year as well.
Tony Sane, defender, St. Paul, Minnesota. We got an interesting mix, and ultimately wins and losses are going to decide this team. Hopefully having a good locker room will help facilitate that. My personal goals: stay healthy and be a good leader on this team. I've had a lot of years of experience, and I've made a lot of mistakes, and hopefully learn from them. And they're going to ask me questions, and hopefully I'll have some answers for them. They're a good young group, and we're going to learn together and improve from last year.